Hi everyone, my name is Ruizhe Liang. You can also call me Richard. My research is focused on the urban expansion in Toronto. As we all know, the suburbanization is an important part of urban development in North America countries. As the most developed area in Canada, Toronto should consider a reasonable urbanization as well. So today, I will give some suggestions for the future development of Toronto through my research. The Greater Toronto Area has experienced continuous population growth in the past 100 years. As you can see from the figures above shows the population density and the growth trend of population in Toronto. It shows that the population of GTA is forecast to grow to 20 million in 2046. So the project will create a suitable area for urban expansion and sustainable development by considering population growth, environmental, social, and economic issues. This project aims to plan reasonable land development in areas with high population densities and a mix of land use. Land use should be considered the environmental, social, and economic factors. Consequently, the research question of this project is how much land in the GTA is available for sustainable development in the face of future population pressures. On the other hand, the engineering outcomes will show the suitable land use area on the map. So the data of this project is majorly collected from the open source website, includes table and vector data. Firstly, I did the demographic analysis with the population census tract table and polygon of Toronto neighborhoods. By using joining two, the population of each neighborhood is joined into each polygons. Then we can produce the population density map. The population density map will be the reference for finding out developable area with lower population density. According to the land use data, I export different land use features from this layer, including the parks, a residential area, industrial area, and open space. Those land use features will produce a land cover map for Toronto, and this will show the spatial distribution of different land use in Toronto. For finding the suitable area, I buffered the industrial area and parks. The buffered industrial area will be defined as a bad area with populations. So by using differences tool, I will erase the industrial area from residential area to find the existing residential area which are far away from industrials. On the other side, the buffered parks will be used for finding residential area which close to vegetations, and I use clip tool for this section. With the similar steps, we can find the open space which far from industrials and close to vegetations. This area will be used to define the suitable empty land for urban expansion in Toronto. Moreover, the raw data is used for isochrone analysis with the location of suitable development area. The drive time map for those potential developable area will be defined. So for the result 1 reference map, the current result of this project include the population density map, the pollutant area map, the land cover distribution map, and the travel time analysis map. So firstly, the population density map shows the population distribution in Toronto. And this map will help us figure out the area with lower population density and doing the suburbanization for Toronto. The map on the right is the land cover distribution map in Toronto. This map shows the current land use structure of Toronto. Therefore, if we combine these two maps, we will have some basic ideas for which area should be development in the future. The next two maps is exactly result from a research. The first map shows zoning area with enough space and meet the following conditions: far away from industrials, close to parks, and have good local network and accessibility. The second map shows the existing residential area that is far from industrial area and close to parks. This map can be used to analyze which areas will be kept and which areas need to be redeveloped in the future. So, to sum up, this study shows that existing development in Toronto is approaching saturation, and there is less and available for development. Therefore, Toronto should consider carrying out more suburbanization to reduce the population pressures in the city. This study shows which area can be preserved and which are recommended for the redevelopment. That's everything. Thank you so much.